Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the labeled graph problem in graph theory. So a labeled graph is a tree in which every vertex has the assigned unique label. So that is every vertex must be having unique means single assigned value. So now let's construct the tree for the given algebraic expression. So these are the two examples so you can understand very easily. So first what we should do is we must search for the central operator. So if you see here minus, plus, multiplication, division are the operators, and whatever the elements rather than that is whether it may be alphabets or the numbers, you can call them as the operand. Now if you see here, first come from left side to right side by opening the brackets. Now here we are not having any bracket, so if you see here 3 is the separate operand, so minus is the operator which is connecting this full bracket element with the 3. So what you can do, this separately you can consider it. So this is the left part, this is the right operand, and this operator which is connecting both the left and right operands, you can call it as the central operator. Central operator. So what we will be doing is the central operator will be in the vertex. So here if you start, the vertex value will be the central operator, that is minus. So now I will be writing the left side element, that is 3. Left side element is 3. So now if I want to write the right side element, I must write it as the unique label. That is I must write it singly. So what I will be doing, I will be again opening the brackets right here. So if you open the bracket, so here this bracket will be gone, this bracket will be gone. Now if you see x plus this whole bracket, x plus this whole bracket. So now you can consider x as the left, plus is the central operator, and this full elements what are inside the bracket, that is this open bracket and this closed bracket, you can consider them as the right operand. So left operand will be x, and the central operator is plus which is connecting left side and right side, and in the right side we are having the bracket element, so we have not removed that one. So now come to this bracket element, open bracket and closed bracket will be removed. So now if you see here 6 is the left side one, multiplication, this is not the x, this is multiplication which is the central operator, and the elements within this open bracket and this closed bracket will be considered as the rightward elements. So now at the vertex, what we will be writing? So we will be writing the multiplication, and the left part is 6. And if you see here, the right part we will not write because it is enclosed within the closed and open bracket. So now if I remove this open bracket and this closed bracket, for slash means division, this whole bracket, that is open bracket and closed bracket, what are the element within that. So this will be considered as right, division operator will be considered as the central operator, 4 will be considered as the left one. That is we will be opening the bracket one by one. So central operator is division, left side is 4, right side we must remove it again. So you will be removing the open bracket and the closed bracket. 2 minus 3. So this is left, this is the central operator, 3 is the right one. So minus is the central operator, this is 2 and this is 3. So this completes the problem. So you must write them all separately. So that is the funda of this labeled graph. So now let's see the second one, so you will understand much easily. Now if you see here, there is open bracket, and again there is closed bracket, open bracket, closed bracket. So you can conclude this is the separate one. Now minus, which is the central operator, and here if you see open bracket, closed bracket, open bracket, closed bracket. So you can consider this as the separate one. So this is left, this is right, and this is the central operator connecting the left and the right operands. So what you will be doing, you will be just writing the minus, that is the central operator. So next, left and right, if you want to write, you must open the bracket and write them uniquely. So if I select this left one and open the bracket, that is I will be removing the open bracket and closed bracket. 7 plus open bracket and closed bracket. So 7 will be the left operand, plus is the central operator, and the elements within the open bracket and closed bracket will be considered as the right operands. So first let's write the left side. That is, this is the leftward part of the minus, that is the central operator. So if we consider this as the separate algebraic expression, so plus will be the central operator. It will be having left side and right side. So in left side we are having 7. In right side I want to remove the open bracket and closed bracket. Now 7 is over, plus is over. So if I remove the left open bracket, now I will be removing the closed bracket also. So 6 minus 2. 6 will be the left operand, 2 will be the right operand, minus is the central operator. So you can write like this. Central operand is minus, 6 will be the left, 2 will be the right. Now if we come to the right part of the full algebraic expression, so we will be removing the open bracket and closed bracket. X minus y minus 4. So this whole thing which is enclosed within the bracket will be considered as the right operand, and x will be considered as the left operand. So minus is the central operator. So minus, left side part is x, and the right side part we want to again review, because we will be writing only the unique elements. Now x is over, minus u is over. If I remove the open bracket, I will be removing the closed bracket also. Y minus 4. So y be the left one, 4 will be the right operand, minus will be the operator. So minus is the operator, y is the left operand, 4 is the right operand. So this completes the problem. So now what is the funda of this labeled graph is, so you will be separating all the elements and you will be just writing them uniquely. So that is, you will be firstly representing the central operator in the vertex, and you will be writing the left subtree and right subtree for them, which will be the unique part in every step. So first what you should do, you must be searching for the central operator which is connecting the left operand and the right operand, and then you must remove the open bracket and closed bracket, and again you must search for the central operator. So if you do the same process repeatedly, you will be getting the answer at the last. So hope you understood the topic very easily. So one thing you must keep in mind is, you must make the vertex, that is the operator one, as the unique labeled graph. So hope you understood the topic of the labeled graph in the graph theory. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please do comment below. I will clarify it. And if you liked the video, please subscribe and support us, because your one support motivates us to make more engineering related topics.